Hello and welcome back to Finesse Driving School. Here are 5 things that I think every learner should learn before going on their driving test. Quick disclaimer, you're not going to be tested on these things on your driving test, but it's a good idea to go through these before you pass with your driving instructor. Number 1, everyone loves a drive-through, whether it's McDonald's, KFC, Big John's in Birmingham, Costa, whatever you want. It's not the most difficult thing in the world, but it can get confusing with the narrow passageways, the narrow roads, and the arrows and the signs. So maybe one lesson, take your instructor for a coffee date, or maybe your instructor can take you for a coffee date. Number 2, make sure that you fueled up your instructor's car at least once before you stop taking lessons. Again, it's not difficult to fuel up, but it's always a lot easier doing it the second time by yourself if you've already done it once before with your driving instructor. In most cases, you'll have 4 different options to choose from when fueling your car. So knowing which one's the correct one is going to save you a lot of headache, a lot of hassle, and a lot of money. And who doesn't want to save money, yeah? Especially once you've already spent so much money on driving lessons, money in your car, money in your insurance, your road tax, your MOT, whatever it might have been, and then you go and ruin your car by putting petrol in a diesel car. Safe to say, after all of that, you would not want to ruin your car with the wrong fuel. Number 3, the next one's slightly controversial. I've asked many of my friends in the industry, many driving instructors that I've met over the years, whether they would teach the learner before the test how to change a tire. Me personally, I've only ever taught a learner how to change a tire when we've got a flat on a lesson, or the learner really wants to know how to change the tire. Me personally, it takes about 10 to 15 minutes to change the tire, clean my hands, put all the stuff back in the boot, and then get back on the road driving again. But it's not important what I think. What matters is what you think. So let me know down in the comment section below whether or not a learner should be taught how to change a tire on a lesson, or whether they should wait to break down or to get a flat on the side of the road on a rainy, snowy winter morning. Number 4, motorway driving. Now, a few years ago, one of my ex-learners called me up dead of night and asked me, "Hey Ali, is it true that the first lane on the motorway is 70, the second lane is 80, and the third lane is 90? I honestly thought I was dreaming. There's 2 things that I did after that point. Number 1, I always take learners onto the motorway or higher speed roads. And number 2, I've decided to put my phone on Do Not Disturb mode after 9 PM in the evening. Number 5, checking the fluid levels of the car and understanding and knowing when and how to refill them. Now, in the back of my car in my boot, I've always got engine oil, I've got brake fluid, I've got engine coolant, and I've also got window wash for the car. Then when I know that we're low on one of these fluids, or we're doing our under the bonnet tell me questions, and we realize that we're low on a certain fluid, I'll always get the learner that's with me to fill up. But let me know what you think. If you found this helpful, or if it's just rubbish, just let me know in the comments. Not a problem. I don't take offense. I've got thick skin. I mean, I'm thick. No, I've got thick skin, but I'm also thick. Thick's for girls. Fat. I'm fat. Okay? I'm fat, so I don't take offense. Fat people don't get offended. Anyway, if you like the video, comment, share, subscribe, let your friends know about the channel. Hit me up on my socials, and I'll see you all soon.